President Ka BJP Meghalaya State Unit Rikman Momin mynta ka sngi ka khatsan tarik Lber 4,000 arphusau ula ai ka jingiaroh ka Sorkar Pdeng Kaba Pyllait no ka Citizenship Amendment Act 4,000 khat khandai na ki Jylla Hapoh ka Khyrnit Kaba Hynriew kaba ki riewlum ritpaid ki shong kisa.
My sisters, brothers of media team. First of all, let me thank you all. You have given your precious time to come here for this statement. So I'm going to give a statement on behalf of the party. The state BJP would like to express its gratitude to the government of India and special Prime Minister Modi ji and Sri Amit Shah ji, the Union Home Minister, for respecting the sentiments of the tribal people by exempting the 6 scheduled areas from the Citizen Amendment Act of 2019. In the original Act of 1955, 6 scheduled area was areas exemption was not there. This was introduced in 2019 Act by the BJP government. BJP cares about the well-being of the tribals and so introduced this exemption. The BJP government believes in taking everyone together, though the act was passed in 2019. The government deliberated 4 years before notifying rules. Such steps taken by the centre reassure the commitment of the Modi-led government to uplift the lives of the tribal community through various governmental schemes. Now that Meghalaya stands exempted from CA, it is pointless for those opposing to beat around the bush, but as citizens of this great nation, we shall all work towards its progress and prosperity. It may be noted just recently, 15,000 crores has been earmarked to upgrade the Umroi to Silchar road from 2 lanes to 4 lanes, which testifies the pro-people, pro-development agenda of Modi government. And the state unit of BJP calls upon the people of Meghalaya to support the candidates set up by the party for the coming Lok Sabha election so that Meghalaya as a state can reap more benefits by sending 2 BJP MLAs this time around.